Hi, welcome to Opio. I'm Chris McGinnis with Fine & Country, and today you're really in for a treat. Behind me is a contemporary Provençal house with panoramic views, including the Bay of Cannes. We've got 4 bedrooms upstairs and a separate guest suite downstairs. The house is designed to perfection. We've got an amazing pool, shaded parking for multiple vehicles, and we're in just the most magnificent place here in the Côte d'Azur backcountry countryside. Come on in, have a look at this fantastic kitchen and entertaining space. We're in the perfect place here for an evening aperitivo under the shade of this magnificent eucalyptus tree with mood lighting and comfy chairs. Just beyond us is a swimming pool that's perfect for swimming lengths, and behind us here is a fantastic summer kitchen where I guarantee in summers you'll be spending most of your time. Please get in touch as soon as you can to book a private tour and let us know what questions you have. We'll be thrilled to hear from you. Drop us a like and a comment and share with your friends and family.